All right, everyone, it's CO coming at you, and I'm going to teach you how to fix a blow molded box. This is my socket set. It's got an old box, and the hinge on the back broke. There was just a plastic hinge, and I went on the internet, tried to figure out how I might be able to fix it. I was looking to see if I could get a replacement box. Obviously, you can go get the socket sets if you want, and the socket rails, and try to do it that way, but this is a nice set. Everything fits together, and I didn't need to spend a lot of money on that. So I figured out a nice way to put a metal hinge on the back using a rivet gun. And this is the rivet gun. I got this at Harbor Freight. It was only $5, I think, something like that. It was real cheap. It was a great deal. It comes with the riveter and all the different size rivets. So all you do is you take a razor blade, scrape off the old plastic hinge, and then you drill some holes with your drill, and you take the rivet, put the rivet in like this, put the rivet in the hole, and you pop it in with the hand riveter like this. So you pop it a couple squeezes, make sure you're pressing down so that the hinge is up against the plastic. About 2 or 3 squeezes, the rivet pops off. You do that all the way down, and now you've got a nice hinge. This thing is going to outlast the box. And that's it. Pretty simple, pretty cheap, and much more effective than trying to go find yourself a new box or take your sockets and get a bunch of different rails, and that costs a lot of money, and then they're all over the place. So hope this is helpful.